Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about molecules. Molecules are the smallest units of compounds that retain the properties of the compound. They are made up of two or more atoms that are chemically bonded together. Types of molecules. There are a variety of molecules and they are classified based on their composition and the type of chemical bonds that hold their atoms together. These types of molecules include homonuclear molecules. Homonuclear molecules or homonuclear species are molecules composed of only one element. Homonuclear molecules may consist of various numbers of atoms. The size of the molecule an element can form depends on the element's properties, and some elements form molecules of more than one size. Heteronuclear molecules. A heteronuclear molecule is a molecule composed of atoms of more than one chemical element. For example, a molecule of water is heteronuclear because it has two atoms of two different elements, hydrogen and oxygen. Polyatomic ions. A polyatomic ion is a covalent bonded set of two or more atoms or of a metal complex that can be considered to behave as a single unit and that has a net charge that is not zero. The term molecule may or may not be used to refer to a polyatomic ion depending on the definition used. Complex molecules. In chemistry, complex organic molecules refer to polymer like molecules such as proteins. Proteins are typical complex organic polymers with well defined three dimensional shapes composed of 20 kinds of amino acids. Characteristics of molecules. Molecules have a variety of characteristics that define their properties. These include molecular shape. Molecular shape is the three dimensional arrangement of atoms in space around a central atom. The molecular formula of a substance does not give an indication of its shape. Size. Molecules commonly used as building blocks for organic synthesis have a dimension of a few angstroms to several dozen angstroms, or around 1 billionth of a meter. A typical atom is anywhere from zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.5 nanometers in diameter. DNA molecules are about 2.5 nanometers wide. Most proteins are about 10 nanometers wide, and a typical virus is about 100 nanometers wide. A bacterium is about 1000 nanometers. Polarity. The polarity of a molecule tells whether the electron cloud is equally distributed across the atoms within the molecule, or whether an electronegative atom is affecting the electron density. The distribution of the electrons will affect the behavior and reactivity of the molecule. Reactivity. Reactivity is the ability of matter to combine chemically with other substances. The reactivity of a molecule increases if it contains one or more weak bonds or bonds that have an unequal distribution of electrons between the two atoms. Applications of molecules in daily life. Molecules have various applications in our daily life, such as Number 1. The oxygen molecule O2 is used for breathing and the carbon dioxide molecule CO2 is used for photosynthesis by plants. Number 2. Water molecules H2O are used for drinking, cooking, washing, and more. Number 3. Hydrogen molecules H2 are used as fuel in hydrogen powered vehicles. Number 4. Carbon compounds such as hydrocarbons are used in the production of plastics, fuels, and other chemicals. Number 5. Molecules are used in medicine and pharmaceuticals, such as the discovery of new molecules and their role in treating diseases. In conclusion, molecules are the building blocks of compounds and have various applications in our daily life. They come in different types, sizes, shapes, and bond types. The study of molecules helps to understand chemical reactions and their properties.